Today I'm going to show you how I made this wallpaper so you too can make one yourself. The cool thing is it's free and it's super easy to do. To start off with, come to ideogram.ai. This is like really good with generating text on images, but we aren't technically be using that for thing. You could try, but yeah. So type in your prompt here and then set the size to be this 16 by 10 because we are going to have it on our desktop. If you want it on your phone, you can do this, and then after you type it out, like you could add different stylings to this. I prefer a retro style painting, so this usually gives images that I like. And now hit generate. Give it some time. So this is what it created. If you don't like how this turned out, like let's say you like this, you could take this and then try to remix over this. So let's say you really want this shape even in the final one. So what you do is you hit remix, and now the next images are going to be based off of this. So let me just make this be in the dark. So let's say at night, and then hit generate. I will have to wait 23 seconds, but yeah, I'll show you how after it's done. Okay, so these are what you get. Ooh, this looks pretty cool, and I personally like. Let's use this. So now once you've actually gotten an image, save it into your files, and after that let's upscale this. So now that you can have it look good on your screen. Okay, now you have to go to this website called IMG Upscaler here, and then upload the image. What did I call it? It's called ideogram. Okay, it's the one. Hit open and then set it to 400%, and then after that's done, hit start here, and it will take some time for it to upscale. Okay, it's done now. Now I hit download. After the download happens, you get to see like a upscale version of this, which is like of much higher quality. Now you can use this as your wallpaper. So this is the wallpaper set. To be honest, it doesn't look that good compared to the one that was before, but it's just a matter of refining your prompt and remixing the images, and you get one that looks pretty good.